Hello, my fellas, how are you doing? Look, right here behind my back is a subway entrance. Let's check out together and see how spectacular it is. You see, outside the entrance is very clean. It's great. Now we are on the platform, the escalator going down, and also we can see the escalator going up, and also the stairs for people who want to walk. Now something remarkable is that inside here is very clean. See, just advertisements and posters. It's like walking inside a luxury shopping mall. People here think a lot about the passenger, so the passenger can have a great and amazing experience traveling here. So Chinese people know how to make things great, right? A lot of space, no chaos, just discipline, just for people to enjoy traveling.